Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find bus routes on Google Maps. The first thing you will need to do is open Google Maps. Then from there you could tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you could type in the location that you would like to go to. So let's say for example, Spanish Town Public Hospital. Then you are going to tap on directions in the bottom left hand corner. After you have done that, you can see by car it would take 43 minutes. Then you will tap on the bus icon right beside that. After you have done that, you can change the depart time by simply tapping on depart at, and you can change the depart time right here, so you will be able to see the different bus routes at different times. Keep in mind that I'm currently in a third world country where there are not a lot of public transport buses, so this is why you're seeing not available. But in different countries, you'll see different bus routes. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.